Welcome back, Islanders. Still accompanied with a achy back. We would like to present to you Rome's activities.
Yeah, you see, Rome's government wanted to keep people distracted from revolting. The reasoning of revolt was that they, the citizens, were poor.
Yes, and most of these activities were free to attend.
So shall we get started?
Yeah, I think we should.
Alright, here comes the pain.
Oh no! Ah! Today, we'll start things off with gladiator battles.
These battles took place in the Roman Colosseum. People came to watch the slaughtering of slaves or prisoners of war. These events were where the martyrs of Christians took place. Animals such as lions tore them apart. Some fought against other men and many more wild animals. When one man fell, the crowd decided the fate of the one who lost.
Here are some more activities that the Romans enjoyed.
Yes, like swimming.
Here is the next event that the Romans enjoyed. This event was called fencing.
They also hunted in their leisure time.
Best of all, they also did archery.
Islanders, all of these activities have been presented to you by this lovely island.
Yep, and we just want to ensure you that no Brandons were harmed in the filming.
Yes, and all this can be yours for 50 easy payments of $19.95.
But wait! If you call now, we'll give you a free reindeer and Sharpie!
Call it.
Hey guys, my colleague Brandon isn't here right now, but after a long day of filming with many epic failures, we thought that you might like to enjoy them.
Well, Islanders, all this...
like this,
You're recording.
and
And then backwards. Okay.